Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Happy with Kushtama. As you know, my name is Kushtama. I'm from Allahabad, Lucknow. I want to become a cabin crew member, and in aviation industry English is very important, and also nowadays English is very important. But the question is that how to learn English, how to think in English, and how to speak in English. And if you are all the questions searching on the YouTube, ChatGPT, Google, here, there, whatever. So in this video, I am going to share some tips to learn English. And when I was in the 9th class, so I also don't know how to speak English, how to think English, and how to speak even small sentences. Now you can see I am talking with you in front of the camera easily, without any hesitation, without any, yes, some I feel lack of confidence, but that doesn't matter. You watch my videos if you want to learn English. So I want to sharing 3 tips to learn English. First is think. You should think in English. So you should watch the videos, watch the podcast, watch the whatever you want to watch, but you have to watch in the English. Like I like dramas, so I watched dramas in English. So that's why I improve so much. And if you like music, if you like anything to listen, so you should listen in that thing in English, because that is very helpful for you. If you think in English, if you speak in English, so that will be help to speak in English. You know, first you have to watch in English. Second is that you have to listen in English. Third, you have to speak in English. Even if you are making mistakes, so don't take that serious, because now I am taking some mistakes, so but I don't take. So I pause a video for 1 minute because I have to open the door, because there is door, that's why I have to. So I am sharing 2 tips if you want to learn English and if you want to speak in English. So first you have to watch in English. Second is that you have to listen in English. And third is that if you want to speak in English, so you have to speak in English. Even if you don't know how to speak small sentences, so don't take serious. If you are practices, you can build. Now you can see I am talking in English, because when I was in the 9th class, so I don't know how to speak English, but I follow these are 3 tips. And now you can see I can easily talk with someone front of camera. Yeah, but I did some mistakes, so but don't take serious, because now I'm also learning. I'm not a professional like that. I'm not fluent like that. Yeah, I can speak. I interact with the people in English. That's enough for me. But now I'm also learning to becoming a fluent speaker. So friends, I have to share these are 3 skills which I include before. As you listen this, as you want to learn English, so please follow these are 3 tips, because it's really very matter. 4 is that is I don't like I want to prefer 3 skills. Oh my god, I am not talking about the skills. I'm talking about the I am not, because I'm distracting, because there is my family are talking there. What the hell, guys? I'm not free, my mind going there, so just take pause. So yeah, so there are 4 the tips I have to share, but I want to prefer 3, because 4 is that if you like reading, so you should read in English, because I don't like reading, that's why I didn't prefer reading. But if you like, so you have to, there are 4. If you like reading, so there are 4 tips to learn English. First is that watch English. Second is listen in English. Third, speak in English. for read in English. If you are following these are 4 tips, so it's definitely work on your life to becoming a good person, to becoming a speaker, and you can also speak in English easily. So yeah, I'm talking about that. And this is my home, as you know, so there are my family is sitting, that's why I'm entering and I'm shooting video here. So if you like my video, so please like, share, subscribe. So bye bye, I will meet in the next video. And now I'm also learning English, so if I made any mistake, so please don't take serious and write in comment box, because I'm also learning English. When I was, as you know, when I was in the 9th class, I don't know how to speak in English, but now I can speak English and I make video also to becoming a fluent. So bye bye. If you want to watch my home, so this is, and yeah, I have to so many times pause the video, because you know there is a door, and when the person is coming my home and I'm shooting here, so I have to pause for that, and that's why. So bye bye guys, meet in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.